So it is a Betway Premiership match, Orlando Pirates 2 and Amazulu 0 Usuthu. So yeah man, what an interesting match. And this was the match where like Orlando Pirates were actually being tested after a very long time. And first of all, before I say everything else, congratulations to Orlando Pirates. And secondly, I just wanna say to Amazulu, gents, you fought today. Always you lost in a party like in Elena and those like against team, because like I don't wanna lie, you all actually gave Orlando Pirates some headache. Tactically, you were better, but ama results they are saying it's very Pagania available, they actually better, and also like knowing the quality very Pagania available, they were supposed to be actually being better. And another thing, Buffett, too, I'm on 980 subscribers right now, and I really appreciate it if like we actually get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this week. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So yeah, let's just get to the match available. So first of all, I'm just gonna be speaking about starting lineup. On the starting lineup available Saturday, say Pagania Orlando Pirates. There weren't too many changes. I think the only change it was only Dien Hoto available. Oh, Hoto. It was only Dien Hoto who actually had like a beautiful game also. And I couldn't understand why they were actually putting Hoto on the bench or putting him on a sideline, but and introducing Velundaba because it wasn't a thing. It was a fatigue, or like it is a thing. Undaba is actually better than Hoto, so I couldn't understand. And the guy today actually came by, and then he actually had a clean game. It is what we're actually seeing available from him. So yeah, let me actually get to into the first half available. On the first half, anything I noticed available, I'll firstly speak about Kisat Velela Mazulu. Goalkeeper Mazulu had too many mistakes. That guy actually had too many mistakes. If he was the guy with like brand confidence available, he was going ama results for this match they were going to change, because like Nama goals level or at all and stuff. He was the guy that according to me somehow 70%. According to me, I would say he actually made the team to actually lose, because he could have done better, like from like besides my goals and stuff, the whole match overall the guy could have done better. And there was even a moment I was like, now I can also become a professional player also if like this is the level available in PSL football, especially as a keep available from like ama passes, and also like ama save. You can't just catch a long ball laser like Pezulu. How come is that possible? Too clumsy. He must improve on that. I hope on my matches where Lalandila available is gonna be doing better. And then on the other side available Amazulu tactically available, they were actually better if I'm being honest, because they were playing obvious. So others one is always playing with the 3-4-3 available, and as they were playing with 3-4-3, they were able to actually, their plan was to first of all sit back available, play deep, and then try to catch the Pirates available on counter attacks. And they were able to do that with the quality of the midfield that they actually had available, because like Banga ball easy, and they were able to actually find their striker, but like the striker sub was actually letting them down, because Usiema was too quicker than him, and also like Osibisi was too aggressive available. So those are the guys go Orlando Pirates. I will give it credit available Gule Mechilena, because like Amazulu tactical Atazwani was better than Wado. It is not a thing which I'm against or like I'm being biased, but if like we are a football fan and like we available you'll actually agree to me. Also, even if like we feel like Leparani, I will also agree with what I can say, because I'm not saying like Amazon they were dominating. Obviously, Orlando Pirates they were actually dominating due to the quality that they actually have available, and due to the attack force and then the midfield that they have, like a midfielder that can protect, and then also like good defense, yeah, but they will win Vela Alama Pauls now, and then they'll have more touches. Well, even like no keep up overall well squad well, so Orlando Pirates well was better. That is what actually saved into Orlando Pirates today, because like tactically Amazulu they were actually better. And Orlando Pirates, if like they were not, they were actually like ngokuthi banga concede available a goal, because they were supposed to actually kill the match like as soon as possible, because like I was like, because like after like first half I was like, first of all Amazulu, they are able to actually like get well ama chances well about behind into behind they are actually be able to actually get some chances available on the side of the Orlando Pirates. They are able to actually create chances, even though it is actually difficult for them to actually get some shots available. And which is something that I would just love to say, which like it is good from their side, because not so many teams they are able to actually like get to the other side of Orlando Pirates. Because one thing about Pirates, they are very quickly it's recovering the ball, and also when it comes to attack available, they are very quick, and also when it comes to play on those short spaces available, they are very quickly. So like the Pirates and live quick, which was why at the beginning of the season I was actually like, I think Orlando Pirates, they're actually the best attacking football club available currently in South Africa masaqala vele season, because of the way of quick vele ngakhona yabo. So Amazulu, I would just love to say which like I give the credit vele to them. And also Orlando Pirates, I just want to speak about to Siema also. We just need to give Siema also like a flowers. Like the guy was actually brilliant today, was able to actually vele block the striker Amazulu, which actually has like 6 goals yabo. And he was also brilliant on the defensive side, and also like he was trying to help on the offensive side, because there was even a time we'd get him on the other side, the box available, the opponent, the one it is not even a corner available, him just overlapping, and that is just crazy. That is another level of equality if you are able as a center back to actually get yourself to push a bit to that side, which though it is actually a risky move available. So we just need to give a credit to the guy, and this is the guy that I was going to say. I'm going to say actually he's my man of the match, Kule match lane available. But many people they actually give it to really, because he actually score a brace, even though I wouldn't say it was a brace, because like okay, on the second goal available, it was more of like an own goal. So I don't know if they will actually be giving it to the guy, because the guy hit the pole available. But this is a confidence available booster, and we are hoping Gucci as like a most exciting player available. He's gonna be actually becoming more consistent, because it's the beginning of into a season injured and stuff. So yeah, that means we're gonna be seeing a lot from O'Reilly available. And then second half, Orlando Pirates tried to be more aggressive, available to dominate more, but it was still the same thing. And then after that, Atazwane Amasabsa available. They kind of, I don't think they changed the game, but it was still the same thing. In the effectively game lane, it was when Orlando Pirates actually introduced Uti Jong, and who's that guy? And the other guy, but Uti Jong. But when I introduced Uti Jong, I was like on the previous video, Uti Jong is not that quick. And the style of play, the philosophy, the Orlando Pirates, I don't actually think the guy actually suits it. I'm not saying the Jones not quality. The guy is definitely quality. The guy is definitely quality. But if football the Orlando Pirates, it is kind of like lambulala, like lam exposed to a negative way, because like I was to compliment the other players, because like the guy, for being honest, he's actually slow. Especially if like you're gonna be that guy who's gonna play as a striker or as a 10 available for Orlando Pirates, especially as a 10. Orlando Pirates is just quick, they are just connecting very quickly, and if like you're not able to actually maintain that like momentum, it is gonna be difficult, my guy, for you. But also I won't be criticizing that much, because it is a thing for him, like about stuff, so I'm gonna be giving him a benefit of a doubt. I won't criticize that much, but even though it is the second match, but my guy, you are supposed on the third match, you're supposed to take the opportunity, you're supposed to grab it with your potato, because I don't know how many balls did you actually lose when today available. It is just mad with like lose like I'm down. Even the last match it was the same thing, so I hope with the guy you are adjuster. And by the way, the fans are not actually criticizing you when they're actually saying blue. I know it sounds like poo, but they're just like showing love available. So yeah, that's another thing. Yeah. And then really was good today, and then yeah, man, it was pretty much it. But this is the match available, which Amazon they're tactically better. Others one is definitely cooking, and then they gave a Pirates available a threat after like a long time, which was beautiful. They lost today, but this is a huge achievement for them, even though they could have like changed the history, because it is actually made to go to like 17 years of Amazulu mabadlala away, mabadlala home, I mean on their home game, they haven't won the home game for about 17 years when they are actually playing against the Orlando Pirates abo. And today it was going to be a history changing moment, because if they actually won, they were going to sit on number one available, and they were going to actually change available. That's history. But yeah, man, congratulations to Orlando Pirates, and I'm gonna be seeing you all on the next video. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. There are few subs left, and nyabonga bafethu. Danko.